Hi. Hi, Tom. This is your little guy. So cute. He's chewing on his toe, sucking his thumb. And we have some roofing going on across the street, so don't mind the noise. Yeah. Oh, you're very cute. You're very cute. Yes, you are. Uh-huh. You're a little sweet guy. Yes, you are. Oh, yeah. What do you think about outdoors? Everything good out here? Huh? Yeah. Oh, oh, honey, you're so sweet. Tom's gonna love you. You are the sweet boy. Come on, step up. Step up. Oh, good. That was really good. Yes. Your main job is to gain his trust, or gain this little bird's trust. Um, it'll take a day or so, and then he'll be your buddy forever.